Hey everybody, it's Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com and Exit Bayshore Realty. I'm here with the Casperson family. We just closed on their property in Bayshore Beautiful, and we wanted to share their story for a quick moment. Leona, I think I met you right after Hurricane Irma.
Yes.
And there were some things that happened to your house during the storm, it sounds like.
Yeah, one of our rooms, Irma decided to put a hole all the way through into our room. And
Yeah.
It was all wet. Everything in the room got wet and
Yeah,
luckily didn't come into the rest of the house.
Mm-hmm.
And our electricity still worked.
Yeah, that was a good thing.
But the roof was destroyed, right?
Yeah, that at least that whole section. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was a big bedroom too.
Mm-hmm. And then as we started talking about selling the property, you wanted to make sure that your son Sean especially was involved.
Yes.
And what was your impression after we got you the contract and we kind of went over that with you, Sean?
Oh,
it was all
very,
good.
very transparent and actually quite easy. So you guys were very professional and took good care of us. So absolutely, it put us at ease.
Good deal. Good deal. And Francis is in the back, and then another son, Patrick's in the back.
Yeah, there he is.
Yep, we all signed the contract together
Right.
after we kind of had a plan to get. You kind of started to talk about where Mom and Dad were going to go, and things like that. And where are y'all headed now? What's the plan?
Texas.
Probably go to Texas.
Yes, Belton,
For a
Texas.
while.
Belton or Temple, Texas.
Gotcha.
Fort Hood.
For a while.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
We'll see if we
And-
like it, yeah.
And you're hoping to be out in a week, but we've given you 30 days after closing
Yeah.
to make sure that all
Just to
goes
make sure
well.
it probably won't be that long, but
Yes, that was what gave my parents a good peace of mind, giving them that extra 30 days so that they just didn't have to be out the door on closing. So that helped with their decision.
Very
Well, I might have to take a little extra days because I'm sure I'm going to leave something behind.
no, I doubt it.
Good deal. Well, thank you so
I got
much.
it.
Thank you so much,
Thank
everybody.
you.
I really appreciate you taking the time to do this video, to share your story, also working with me. Again, my name's Rob Wilson. I'm with South Tampa Teardowns. If you need a fair offer fast for your property, give me a call. I'm at 813-784-4199. If I'm busy helping another family like the Caspersons here, you can leave a message or request your offer online at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks.